front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones. In the beginning, look at the right side of the tab, and right here we've got USB-C charging port. Unfortunately, this tab does not have typical 3.5mm headphones jack, so we'll have to connect headphones via USB-C cable. Simply plug the cable into the charging port. And it's done. Your headphones are connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.